Maraming salamat po. Alam naman po natin that Meet, Greet, and Buy is a story about family, how important family love is, and how we have, syempre, tayo lang naman, di ba? Sama-sama tayo dito for Meet, Greet, and Buy. And as you guys can see, dito sa mga seats natin, guys, meron po tayong pa-snacks. Maraming salamat po to, of course, Revesco for giving us and taking care of our snacks. Ayun. I think Vol Navarro is also here joining us for the night. Maraming salamat po. We are very excited for this film. Again, centers and caters another family drama from ABS-CBN Studios and Star Cinema. Meet, Greet, and Buy, directed by Direct Cathy Garcia Sampana, starring, of course, we have here, grabe yung napaka-star-studded ng movie natin. Juan Carlos, Joshua Garcia, Ben Mariano, and syempre, dalawang alamat of Filipino cinema, Miss Maricel Soriano, our Diamond Star, and also Piolo Pascual. Diba? A very exciting film. I am very excited. Personally ako, love ko talaga yung mga family dramas, especially from ABS-CBN Studios and Star Cinema. So I'm very excited here. Thank you so much.
Sorry.
Our ABS-CBN staff is also here. Miss JD Ching. And of course, Pao is also here. Pao Ching. Miss Jenes is also here. We would also like to acknowledge syempre po si Sir Miko Del Rosario for also helping us in making this event more beautiful than it already is. Maraming salamat. Guys, Ganda is here. Hello po. Thank you so much for joining us, guys. Ayan, o diba? Parang almost complete na yung Showtime family natin. From Showtime Online, you host, we also have our Showtime host. Gong Navarro is also here joining us. Leme Vice. And we are very excited to see more of our artists. Mamaya makikita na natin yung buong cast of Meet, Greet, and Buy. Again, starring Piolo Pascual, Joshua Garcia, Ben Mariano, Juan Carlos, our Diamond Star, Miss Maricel Soriano, also starring Kyla Estrada. We also have Kawi Oinuma, Matet, Jeffrey Tam, Matt Nicolas, Marnie Lam, celebrity friends and guests who are here to support our cast, and of course, ABS-CBN Studios and Star Cinema, and the whole production of Meet, Greet, and Buy. Maraming salamat po. I think Emilio Daes is here and Michael Sager. Thank you so much, Michael and Emilio, for coming and for being here. Okay, ngayon naman, it's time for me to look for our forever friends of Miss Maricel. Sino ba dito mga forever friends ni Miss Maricel? Yes. Okay. Nahihiya po ang forever friends. Mensahe lang po para sa Diamond Star natin. Okay. Yes? Gusto niyo po ba? Yes. Okay, let's go around here. Nandito po pala yung forever friends. Hello po. Okay. Hello po. Miss, saan yung forever friends kanina? Lumabas na ulit sila. Okay, sige. So before we move on to our forever friends, kasi lumabas na pala sila. Ito. Let's hear it from over here, Team Piolo. Are we here?
For family, most of all. And of course, motherly love din. And yeah, thank you everyone for coming. Kasi sobrang grateful kami na nakapunta kayo kahit may typhoon po. Thank you.
No? Ng luha naman. Kasi napakaganda po itong pelikulang to at maraming salamat sa lahat na pumunta at syempre pag ni Direct Cathy, alam nyo na kung anong mangyayari at alam nyo na kung gaano kaganda. So maraming salamat po sa lahat po ng sumuporta. Salamat.
Go Cow! Nasabi naman na po nila. Pero sana nakapagbaon din po tayo lahat ng tissue ngayong gabi. At sana spread the word po. Meet, Greet, and Buy. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng pumunta din. Yes. Kayo naman po.
Hi, good
good evening. Hindi ko napanood yung buong pelikula but I can assure you that it's a heartwarming film. And si Manny po ako, kami po ang barkada ni Maria. Kaya masaya po ang aming mga eksena kasi kami po ay K-pop fans. Yun po.
Good evening po. Thank you po sa Star Cinema. And this is my comeback film na ano lang po, yung cameo role. That sobra po ako nag-enjoy. And ako po yung Mayora. Yun po. Supportahan po natin ang movie na ito. Napakaganda. Maraming salamat at nandito kayo. Siyempre, nasabi nga nilang lahat, it's all about family and the love of siblings and also the love for our moms. So, yun. I hope you enjoy our film.
Yes, we are so excited. Meet, Greet, and Buy, truly a story of Filipino families and cherishing your time with your loved ones, siblings, and mothers or parents, and even fathers. Maraming salamat po sa our supporting cast. Thank you guys so much. I think pwede na sila to take their seats. Thank you so much. Again, Sir Paz is here, Kauri Oinuma, Katie Estrada, Robbie Jaworski. We would like to also, hello Robbie. Yes, we would also like to acknowledge, syempre, Zeke Sarmiento, Kit Thompson, Frenchie D, Matt Nicolas Matet, Jeff Tam. Also here with us and Miss Marnie Lapus. Maraming salamat po. Meet, Greet, and Buy, our world premiere and celebrity premiere. Fiona Pascual and our diamond star is Maricel Soriano. Again, presenting to you our cast of Meet, Greet, and Buy. The Facundos are here. Okay. Hello po. Hello JK. Hello Joshua, Bell, Papa P, and of course Inay. Hello guys. Thank you so much for being here. Congratulations po. Yes. Ay, okay. Akyat ako. Diyos ko. Guys, part na ako ng questions. Okay. So of course, yes, naka-yellow po ako for today, but congratulations. This is the world premiere of Meet, Greet, and Buy. Syempre, it's time for you guys to greet all your supporters and all of our friends and bosses who are here tonight, starting with Josh.
Pinasa ko po naman. Hello po, magandang gabi po. Gusto ko pong magpasalamat sa oras na ibinigay niyo ngayong gabi. And gusto ko rin magpasalamat sa Drama Joshua at sa lahat ng mga fans ko na sumuporta sa amin sa lahat ng mga mall shows and sa lahat ng mga promos. And ito na, finally. At sobrang excited ako at sana magustuhan niyo po. Para sa inyo po ito. Yun po.
Thank you so much, Joshua. Okay, go ahead, Belle.
Grabe. First of all, I just like to thank everyone. Grabe. Salamat po sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta sa amin dito. To everyone, sa lahat ng loved ones namin, to our bosses, maraming salamat po for being here. Grabe, we're so excited for this film. We just can't wait for you guys to see this. And I hope after this film, we just continue spreading love and kindness.
Thank you so much. JK?
Ako na muna. Sige. Hi everyone, magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. Well, actually, we had the whole day to really, I don't know, try to process everything happening, and I feel like standing here now in front of you all, tayo na kinakabahan lang ako, promise. Ay, PG ba to? G? Oh, sorry. Di pero seryoso, thank you so much sa lahat ng pumunta dito, and also sa lahat ng mga taong bumubuo para magawa yung pelikulang ito. Alam niyo kung sino kayo, maraming salamat din sa inyo lahat. Para sa atin to. Ayun, mabuhay ang pelikulang Pilipino. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, JK. Go, Papa P.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Thank you for taking your time to be with us tonight. We're just really honored that finally we have a film, and nagpapasalamat tayo sa Star Cinema sa ABS-CBN, Tita Cory, Chris, maraming salamat sa lahat ng ating mga bisita dito. Thank you for taking your time to watch the film. And we'd like to apologize on behalf of Direk Cathy because nasa New Zealand siya. Of course, she has to attend to some family affairs, but of course, she sends her regards and also nagpapasalamat din po siya. At sana po magustuhan ninyo ang pelikulang handog namin po para sa inyong lahat. Yun lang po. God bless you.
Thank you so much, Piolo Pascual. Of course, our Diamond Star, Inay, Miss Maricel Soriano.
Ito mga bata, tignan nyo, oh, ganyan mo sila kakakulit. Ganyan-ganyan kami sa shooting, pinaglalaroan na ako. Pero tuwa naman ako.
Okay, sige muna.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat at maraming salamat sa nagpunta at sana po maibigay niyo yung pelikula namin. Ito po yung handog sa inyo ng Star Cinema. Sa mga boss namin, nandiyan si Cory, hi! Natutuwa kami at saka natutuwa mo kami lahat dahil masaya ho namin ginawa itong pelikula ito. Kahit na mo drama, bago mo mag-take, nagtatawanan pa kami. Pero pagdating naman mo lang take, ano yan? Okay. Pero pag take naman mo talaga, take na kami talaga. Di ba? Pero maraming salamat po talaga sa inyong lahat. At maganda rin.
Maraming salamat po, Inay. Again, palakpakan po natin our cast of Meet, Greet, and Buy. Joshua Garcia, Bel Mariano, Juan Carlos, Piolo Pascual, and Miss Maricel Soriano. Let's now have a quick photo op dito muna of the cast only. Yes. There you go. Okay, photos of the cast first, and mamaya, the cast will be having a picture with the whole cinema, so you guys can take your seats after. Okay, all good na. Thank you so much. Again, our cast of Meet, Greet, and Buy. Josh
Love you! Jokes! Alam na, ang mga ganap nyo, alam na.